Welcome everyone. I'm recording from Lima, Peru actually, so I guess Safari, I knew that because they're asking me if I want Spanish translations when possible. But anyway, this week's Parsha is Parshas Bo. That was actually my Bar Mitzvah Parsha. We try every Wednesday to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Elimelech from Lejensk. So Chusay Yigin Mal Kli Yisrael, Amen. So let's find a nice Dvar Torah from the Rebbe Elimelech. The charger station. There's at the end of the. So let's see if I can get this to work. All right. Vayomer Hashem al Moshe Nitayotchol Eretz Mitzrayim Barbeh. We're in the book of Exodus. The Lord spoke unto Moses, saying, "Spread out thy hand upon the land of Egypt with locusts." So, the Heilige Rebbe from Lejensk, he says we should look carefully this term ba'arbe with the locust. The Parshas Pizeh Pasuk Parshas Ve'era Siv Shem Makas Borod. In the previous parsha, we have when it comes to the plague of hail, for now I sent my hand, and only I hit you with the plague of the cattle disease, and maybe for this reason you're standing. We have to understand why specifically by the plague of hail did he say this. So the concept is like this. All the plagues that fell on Pharaoh, it was for whatever merit that either the Israelites had or would have in the future. With that merit, it's focused that the plague is corresponding to that, the opposite way. And that's the meaning of the previously mentioned verse. Because the plague of the hail came in the merit of the words that they spoke, that they were granting thanksgiving to the blessed Lord constantly, that they were expressing their thanksgiving. And since that was the just answer, it would make sense that should come with the plague of Dever, which sounds like Dibor. Dever means the cattle plague. Came Isis Mamshel Dibor Canal. It's the same word, the same letters as the word Dibor. And that's what it says, and now I send you my hand, and only in you with the plague of Dever, of the cattle illness. Tachas Machas Barad, that comes in the place of the Makkah, of the plague of Barad, of the hail, which also is the same letters, Kikacha Dinais and Canal, because that is what also makes sense, like we said above. However, because of this, I stand you up in order to tell over my name. They moved around the letters of the word Dever with the letters of the word Borod, the same letters, in a different order. Lois Dever, and not the letters of the word Dever. Zeo Ba'arba, and also, that's the meaning which says Ba'arba, Peshvil Shemarti, Harbe Arba Saracha, that I will greatly increase thy seed. Arba, which means the locust, also is related to increase. The locusts are have a lot of babies, Canal, as we said above, and Kalahavan. Easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. Have a good day, everybody. All right, how do I turn this off? Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzio into my life.